In an increasingly interconnected world, where cloud-based tools dominate the project management landscape, the question of offline functionality is more relevant than ever. Teams often work from diverse locations, sometimes with unreliable internet access, during commutes, on a flight, in remote areas, or simply when the Wi-Fi decides to take a vacation. For users considering or already deeply invested in ClickUp, a popular and feature-rich project management platform, a critical query is, can I use ClickUp without internet? As a project management expert, I can tell you that ClickUp offers limited offline capabilities, primarily through its desktop and mobile applications. While it's not a full-fledged offline experience that mirrors every online feature, it does provide some crucial functionalities to keep you productive when disconnected. Understanding these limitations and capabilities is key to effectively managing your work when internet access is not a guarantee. The reality of ClickUp's offline mode. ClickUp's core design is cloud-based. This means that for its full functionality, real-time collaboration, instant syncing across all users, access to all views, integrations, and extensive reporting, a stable internet connection is required. However, recognizing the practical needs of its users, ClickUp has incorporated an offline mode for its desktop application, Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile apps, iOS and Android. The web version, by its nature, cannot function without an internet connection. When your internet connection is interrupted, ClickUp's desktop or mobile app will typically notify you that it has switched to offline mode. What you can do in ClickUp Offline. The offline mode is designed to allow you to continue working on essential tasks and capture new information so that you don't lose momentum. Here's what you can generally do. View previously open tasks and notes. The most reliable offline capability is the ability to view tasks, subtasks, task descriptions, and notes that you have previously opened or accessed while online. ClickUp caches this data, allowing you to review details, instructions, and comments related to your ongoing work. Tasks that are in your tray, a quick access area for tasks, are also typically available for offline viewing. Create new tasks and reminders. This is a crucial feature for productivity on the go. If an idea strikes, you remember a new task, or need to set a reminder, you can create these even without internet access. These new tasks and reminders will be stored locally on your device and will automatically sync to your workspace once you regain an internet connection. Basic editing of some task fields, with caveats. While the documentation can sometimes vary, users often report being able to make some basic edits to existing tasks, such as changing statuses, editing descriptions, or adding simple comments. However, this functionality can be less consistent than creating new tasks, and there are sometimes issues with editing longer documents or complex fields. Time tracking. The mobile app allows you to start and stop time tracking for tasks, even when offline. The time recorded will then sync once you are back online. What you cannot do in ClickUp Offline. Key limitations. The offline mode has significant limitations that you, as a project management expert, need to be acutely aware of, especially when planning work for your team. No real-time collaboration or syncing. This is the biggest limitation. Any changes you make offline are local to your device. You cannot see real-time updates from other team members, and your changes won't be visible to them until you reconnect and sync. This can lead to version control issues or conflicting edits if multiple people work on the same items offline. Limited task editing and details. While some basic edits might be possible, you generally cannot extensively edit all task fields, create new subtasks under existing tasks, or modify complex custom fields. You also cannot access all views, e.g., dashboards, whiteboards, mind maps, calendar views for the entire project, or filter tasks extensively. No new spaces, folders, or lists. You cannot create new organizational structures, spaces, folders, lists, while offline. You need to be online to set up new projects or hierarchies. No integrations. Any integrations with other software, e.g., Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, will not function offline. You won't be able to attach new files from cloud storage or receive notifications from integrated services. Limited access to documents and files. While you can view some cached notes, accessing large documents or attachments that haven't been fully loaded/cached while online can be problematic. No real-time notifications. You will not receive any real-time notifications or updates from your team while offline. Strategies for working with ClickUp offline. Given these capabilities and limitations, here are some strategies for project managers to effectively use ClickUp when internet access is intermittent. Plan ahead. Before going offline, ensure all critical tasks, project details, and documents you might need are opened and viewed in ClickUp. This increases the likelihood they will be cached for offline viewing. Prioritize offline tasks. Focus on tasks that require individual work and don't depend on real-time collaboration or external integrations. This could include writing documentation, drafting reports, or reviewing cached information. Utilize Create New Task heavily. If ideas or new action items come to mind, immediately create them as new tasks. They will sync when you're back online. Communicate offline changes. When you reconnect, make it a practice to quickly communicate any significant changes or new tasks created offline to your team, especially if they impact shared work. This helps prevent confusion and ensures everyone is updated. Consider a hybrid approach. For critical documents or detailed planning that absolutely must be available offline and editable, consider using a combination of ClickUp for overarching project management and a dedicated offline-capable note-taking or document creation tool, like Google Docs/Sheets in offline mode, Microsoft Word, or a local Markdown editor for specific deliverables. Then, sync back to ClickUp once online.